Welcome to the Khao, Khao Yai National Park area, and more specifically, welcome to the Isan Resort Khao Yai. Whilst we're staying here, we're going to be hanging out with Andrew and Lecky, who are now living in Thailand, formerly living in Australia. Now they've made the move. So they're old friends of Nidnoy. They haven't seen one another for 15 years. 15 whole years. So we're just going to have a couple of days here and hang with those two. Are you ready? Come on then. It's about time to Khao Yai. Today we're off to Chang Spring. It's just a short drive away from our hotel, 10-15 minutes. It's outside of the national park, so no entrance fee, I believe. Let's go check it out. This is one of the main attractions for me of Khao Yai. Not all of the points of interest and things to do are set within the national park, so you don't have to pay the entrance fee every day. There's plenty of things to be doing outside of the park area. Nobody on duty. Something for nothing. Oh, look at that. If you're visiting Chang Spring and you get to this point where we are in the video, it's probably easier to carry on walking straight down here. It's a much easier route to navigate. Whereas we turn down here, and it was a, let's say, slightly more awkward entrance.
Yeah, I do that. Every cat. I need 10 copies to that. Thân job nó bên này. Ơi, đây đi. Could you wink? Yeah. One lot. You have a long leg, man. They should have like a little step, no?
How are we going to get back out?
Wow, yen mad.
Careful when you're entering. crazy steep slope. Wheelchair access.
Jessie, run and then you can help by the knee. Okay.
What the?
You need help?
Let's watch the professionals. Wow, what an entrance! Is that wheelchair access in Thailand? What's the name of this place? Andrew, do you know? Do you know what the name of this place is?
Andrew, we come this way this year.
Oh, you're kidding. You can come this way if you're sensible. Do not swim here, risk of electric shock. Why not there then? Surely if you're going to get a shock there, you're going to get a shock there.
Has to be something
Under the water or something. Oh right, yeah, bloody hell. Oh really?
Welcome to Nampood, Thailand.
This car park is a free car park, but it's pretty small. It's hard to find a space. If you drive a bit further down the road, another 100 meters, 50 meters, there's a bigger car park there. 20 bucks. Oh, I've got to find the others. Where is it? Where are they? Somewhere. Popular place with the local Thai people. Day trips, excursions, school trips. Where are they? Well, this is the car park we're at. It's a bit more of a chilled car park. You enjoying it, Mummy?
สนุกสนุก
อาหารอร่อยใช่ไหม